This is Football Express.
Still, Football Express, still on the Community Shield game between Arsenal and Liverpool. We just witnessed Arsenal defeat Liverpool in the Community game, even though it went to penalties, but it was 1-1 in 90 minutes. So I've got a fan with me here who is going to be talking about the game. What's your name, sir?
My name is Emperor Jonathan.
Mr. Jonathan, you saw the game. What do you make of Mikel Arteta presently at Arsenal?
Well, he's a very good coach, and I believe he's going to do well in time coming. He's good, he's trying, and there is something about him. He tries to change the game when there is pressure upon his side, on his team. So I think he's a very good. He's very tactical. He's very psychological in reading the game. I think he's up and doing.
So can you say Arsenal deserve to win the match?
Of course, Arsenal deserve to win the match because they worked for it. Those goals, they came and they worked towards getting those goals. So definitely, Liverpool is not a demigod. I think understand. Yes. They succumbed to the firepower of Arsenal, and that is what we are talking about.
So looking at the future of Arsenal under manager Mikel Arteta, can you say they have a bright future?
I am telling you, if care is not taken, they are getting the league champion next.
All right, sir. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Football Express still on the game between the Community Shield game between Arsenal and Liverpool, and as we all know, Arsenal just defeated Liverpool via penalty. But in the course of the game, I've got a fan with me actually. What's your name, sir?
Oluwatosin.
Mr. Oluwatosin. You watched the game, right?
Partially.
So what do you make of Arsenal right now?
Actually, as a football fans, I will say Arsenal Football Club is trying at the moment, and if they should put more effort what they are doing now, it will actually bring more success to them ahead of next season.
So looking at Liverpool, they've been consistent for 2 seasons, performing at the highest level. So do you think the gang press, like they say, the gang press is beginning to affect the players? They are not able to perform at their optimum level.
Actually, this is football actually, and we are not born to win every time. So there is win, there is loss. So at this very time that even Liverpool lost today, it will be like it will give them more impetus to work for the next match ahead of next season. And we can't see this football. So we are not born to win every time actually.
But judging by the way they ended last season, even though they already wrap up the league, but it seems they're beginning to struggle. Do you see them struggling this season without even making major signings? Because it looks like Liverpool don't have the bench, like they only have the first team.
No, all right. I will say that the onus is on the club, which is the coach, which is club, to put more effort ahead of next season. Actually, I didn't see them struggling next season. If they should try and forge ahead and try and put more effort what they are, fall back on or leverage on what the loss they have today and look at what they want next season. It depends on what they want next actually. If they want to have more cups to their trophies, at least they should put more effort.
So you think they will be able to defend the league?
Yes, they can.
Thank you very much, sir.
I have our Hinas analyst, as known all over the area in which he has his viewing centers. He is always known as Foxy the Guti. Although he predicted 5-3, but today and in favor of Liverpool, and he said that there was no chance for Arsenal. But today we don't know what he's going to tell us. Let's hear from you.
Well, it is very interesting to see that Arteta is defying the odds. He has not gotten to this stage by virtue of mistake. If he has actually stuck to his system to actually do this, the credit is due to his system. And we must actually equally applaud the players that actually helped him to execute his system, his tactics. He used the same system that he has stuck with to beat Guardiola. It is not easy to beat a Pep Man City, to beat Ole Gunnar Solskjaer to his system too. It is not easy to use the same system to defeat Frank Lampard. So he has come to Wembley again to actually make everybody aware that it is not by fluke that Arsenal has won 8 out of their last 10 matches at Wembley. And this is the third. This is their fourth on the bounce. So it is very, very good. Interesting.
So are you saying that Arteta was able to throw up a master class, tactical master class today to win the game?
Yes, I must say that is not by sheer luck. It is a system. Remember, until recently, less than 2 weeks now, Liverpool were the defending champions in Europe. So it is not by fluke that you come to Wembley, a neutral ground, to defeat a European giant. If you take Bayern out of the book now, out of the way, we are talking about Liverpool ruling the world football now. And to come here to actually outwit Jurgen Klopp, it is not easy. So credit must be due to Arteta. He has done wonderfully well.
What will you say? What will you say of the young lads that the Liverpool coach put on the pitch?
Yes, Neco Williams did well. It is not easy to play against a world-class Aubameyang. So it is not an easy task for Aubameyang to cut inside of him and fire the shot from that 25 yards. It's not easy. The boy did his job. He himself, alongside other young players, must be very, very proud of themselves for the minutes they got under their belt this evening. And that is what Community Shield is all about. It is for you to get some minutes in your legs, for you to be able to lay claim to a position in the league, to actually look for another Trent Alexander-Arnold, to look for another Van Dijk, to look for another, what is it called now, Robertson. So you actually need some of these small. Of course, you are not going to count on the Robertson, the club 11 to win a league. Because of injury, you actually want to look out for, in place of competition, can this boy step in, can this one step up, and in place of injury too. So this is a very good match for all these small young boys.
Okay, if we are to take some few points into the next season, what do you think the assessment of Liverpool and Arsenal will be in comparison to other clubs?
Well, I think it is high time Jurgen Klopp saw that there is a need for him to be able to tweak like Pep does, even in matches. The high press is very good, and I'm not going to stand there to fault his system, because it is a system that got him European trophy and the league. After 30 years to have arrived at this point, I will not stand there to begin to castigate or berate his effort. But I think, just like any other system, people will be looking at how do we bring you down, how do we diffuse what you have brought, how do we negate all your system. And if you actually see now, this is the second time in recent months, in less than 8 months now, that Arteta is getting the better of the two. So Klopp must be worried, and it is not surprising that he's been linked with Thiago Alcantara from Bayern Munich, with whom he may be able to actually change his system of play. Because in a system like this, there are key components that must not be lacking. And today you must see that the services of Trent Alexander-Arnold was missing. And equally, the system has actually suffered each time Jordan Henderson, their captain, is not on the pitch. So I think Jurgen Klopp must be worried. And for Arteta, he must be looking at, he will not be proud of what his boy did in midfield. Of course, result-wise, it was good. And looking at how his boys gave him the energy, the support to actually carry out the system, the tactical experiment from the dressing room. But he must be worried. You cannot do this week in, week out. The fans will grow worried and tired. Even if you are giving them trophies, it is not too easy for the boys to pursue the game for the entirety of 90 minutes. So he must be able to look at, are you getting Uzi in to play for you or getting him out of the club? Is Lacazette going to stay to actually help the boys? Because Joe Willock and all of the other small boys, Shaka, can they give you 40 matches in a season? It's going to be a tiring season. Nobody is very actually sure now if the 5 sub is going to stay, or the 3 where the FA will revert to the 3 sub that we normally use, that is normally used in EPL. So I think